Yan yung ulam namin for today. So, ayun guys, pinagalo-halo lang natin yung cornstarch, yung luya, yung salted beans, black beans, cornstarch, patis, toyo, at sesame oil. Yung sili, mamaya na natin siya ilalagay pag malapit ng maluto. Yan. I-steam lang natin guys. Steam. Sama natin pagpakulo ng sinaing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, ayun guys, nabitin si Amos sa aming hapunan. Kaya mag-i-steam ako ng siupaw. Yan, yan, yan. Siupaw.